today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I have some very disturbing news for everyone holding Bitcoin right now. And please hear me out, guys, because what I want to share with you today, it's not the end of the world. It's certainly something you have to know and I have to make you aware of if you are a Bitcoin holder. Let's go straight into the content. I am here right now in an airplane about to take off, but of course that doesn't hold me back to share these very important news with you, which I basically didn't really think about myself in all that bullishness and in all that times where we are all waiting for 45,000, 50,000, 60,000, 100,000 to happen. We have to stay realistic. And I want to share with you something before the next week is starting that's very important. And here you can see, of course, something I talked about multiple times, how history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes for Bitcoin. We have these. By the way, if you're watching this video right now, dear ladies and gentlemen, take a second out of your day. Please go down below, press like, press subscribe, share the video, make noise for the algorithm. I would truly appreciate that because I need you for this video to be once again the most watched Bitcoin video on the whole YouTube internet. Thank you so much for that. Please take a second, like this video. I would truly appreciate that. And here you can see multiple cycles for Bitcoin, and every single time we have a few things which are actually repeating. And yes, I did quote the price target of 46,000 US dollars. And yes, I am still in my Bitcoin trade, in my Ethereum trade, overall 1.3 million US dollars in a profit. Yes, I'm in it. Yes, I'm not closing it. However, I have some bad news to share. Bitcoin is right now, actually, let me quickly go here into it. Bitcoin is right now kissing just like before in 2016, in basically here in 2018, 2019, and right now 2023 kissing the horizontal resistance again. This horizontal resistance we have every time, and every time it was previous year-long support and is turning into new resistance. And of course also every time coinciding with that, and all of that is still bullish news, we have the EMA ribbon flipping. Every time that is bullish. And yes, I am still telling you, I'm very sure the bull market has started down there at 16,000. That's why I opened the trade here at the breakthrough at 17,000, 18,000. I still agree with all of that. What I want to tell you is, if you are expecting 45,000 to happen this week, I want to tell you, hold your horses. This is just the third week of us testing the resistance. Okay, we tested a little bit before, but what I want to tell you is, no one can tell you, are we going to break, and we will break it eventually, 32,000 this week, or in 5 weeks, or in 8 weeks. If we are going a little bit back in time, you can see that it needs some time for Bitcoin to break it sometimes. This is strong resistance, and if the resistance is very strong, support is very strong before, it becomes very strong resistance later on. And this time we had the strongest support in the history of Bitcoin. So what I want to tell you is, yes, let me quickly go back. 45,000 US dollars is going to happen in accordance to my TA. Above 100,000 is going to happen. It's just most likely going to happen after summer. It's most likely going to happen towards the end of the year. We have to give it a little bit more time. This is what I wanted to tell you. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I truly love and appreciate every single one of you. We are going to see each other. I'm going to lift off right now very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye. Bye.